If you've heard about the COVID era refund claim, you may have also heard there's a bigger version of it. Most people are familiar with the conservative position, but there's a broader argument when it comes to this case. The broader argument says that additional penalties charged during the disaster period, not just the late payment penalties, should potentially be removed as well. Now here's the first thing you need to know. No court has accepted that position yet. Not one yet. And if you filed it today, the IRS would most likely deny it. So why would anyone even consider it? I'll tell you why. Because deadlines matter, and your rights as a taxpayer will disappear. The filing deadline is July 10th, 2026. If you don't preserve your claim before then, you may never get another chance in your lifetime, even if future courts ultimately agree with your broader position. And that's the part many people miss. You can always decide later not to pursue a broader claim. You cannot go back and recreate a missed deadline. Once that window closes, it is closed. So now let me be very clear about that. It's not the conservative position that we're talking about. This is not the low risk position that we're taking into consideration. This is the fully disclosed position. A position that may eventually require litigation. A position that carries a bit of uncertainty with it. That's exactly why it should be approached honestly, not emotionally, not through hype or somebody being flamboyant with you, and not through promises. Some taxpayers look at the potential upside and decide preserving that opportunity makes a whole lot of sense for them. And others would rather decide to stick with the conservative claim. Neither answer is automatically correct. The important thing to understand is there are risks, and understand those risks before making a decision. Our job is just to show you the two paths, explain the strengths, explain the weaknesses, and then explain the risks, and let you make an informed decision on your own. If you'd like to compare the conservative claim against the broader claim, schedule a consultation, and we'll walk through both options with you together.